Ever found yourself scrolling through social media, seeing ads for these slick, modern banking apps, and wondering, could that actually be for me? Maybe you're a freelancer hustling on the side, a student trying to budget for the first time, or maybe you just want a banking experience that feels less, well, old-fashioned. You've heard the name Neon floating around, and it sparked your curiosity. The question isn't just what is a Neon bank account, but more importantly, who is it for? And is it the right fit for your financial life? That's exactly what we're diving into today. The world of digital banking has exploded, and Neon is one of the most talked about players in the game. But unlike traditional banks that have a long list of requirements and a mountain of paperwork, Neon's appeal is its simplicity and accessibility. So let's break down exactly who can and who can't open a Neon bank account and what that means for you. First up, let's talk about the big one, residence. This is a crucial point. To open a Neon account, you need to be a resident of Switzerland. This isn't just about having a Swiss address, it's about being officially registered in a Swiss municipality. This means if you're a tourist, a short-term visitor, or someone living outside of Switzerland, you won't be able to open an account. It's a foundational requirement that ensures the bank can comply with Swiss regulations and provide its services effectively. But what if you're an international person living and working in Switzerland? Good news! As long as you have your official Swiss residence permit, you're good to go. This is a huge benefit for expats, students on long-term visas, and anyone who has recently moved to the country. Neon understands the needs of a diverse population and has streamlined its process to be as inclusive as possible for legal residents. Next, let's talk age. The minimum age to open a Neon bank account is 16. This makes it an excellent choice for young adults who are just starting their financial journey. At 16, you can get your own debit card, manage your own money through the app, and start building healthy financial habits early. It's a great way to learn about budgeting and saving in a safe, digital environment. The app's user-friendly interface is perfect for a generation that has grown up with smartphones in their hands. So, we've established residence and age. What about documentation? The process is refreshingly simple. You'll need a valid form of identification, which can be a Swiss passport, a Swiss residence permit, or a valid ID from a list of approved countries. The verification process is done entirely through the app, often with a quick video call, so you don't need to visit a branch or mail in any documents. This digital-first approach is a massive time saver and eliminates the hassle that often comes with opening a traditional bank account. Now, let's address some of the common misconceptions. What if you're a self-employed individual or a freelancer? Absolutely, Neon is a fantastic option for you. The basic account is perfect for managing your personal finances. What if you want a joint account with a partner? This is one of the current limitations. Neon accounts are strictly individual accounts, so joint accounts are not an option at this time. It's a key point to consider if you're planning on managing shared expenses. What if you have multiple citizenships? As long as you are a resident of Switzerland and meet the other criteria, you're fine. Neon is designed to simplify banking for people who live in Switzerland, regardless of where they were born. The focus is on your current legal status in the country, not your country of origin. So, to wrap it all up, Neon is for the Swiss resident, whether you've been here your whole life or just arrived with a residence permit. It's for the 16-year-old taking their first steps into financial independence, the freelancer looking for a simple way to manage their money, and anyone who values a modern, digital-first banking experience. If you fit this description and are tired of complex banking processes, Neon might just be the solution you've been looking for. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.